and our channel. I am the student in Xuan. Today I will share my model with everyone. Bats are the only animals before they can really fly. Bats like to eat bugs and fruit. I think bats are really cool. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now, let me show you how I make my model. Thank you.